Okay, the reason these are called advanced is because you do not have any trailing zeros and you've got more than one digit in your numbers. So for that reason, I'm going to use lattice multiplication. That's my preferred method of multiplying. If you like the traditional way, you can do that. If you are not familiar with lattice multiplication, I'm going to explain it to you. So the first thing I want to do is just pretend we have the numbers without the percent sign. So 45 times 95. Now for lattice multiplication, the first number goes on the top and the second number goes on the side. And I make a rectangle under those boxes and I separate the digits with a vertical and a horizontal line. Now I have these squares here. I'm going to make a diagonal cutting each one like this. Then I multiply up and over. So 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 4 times 5 is 20. And 5 times 5 is 25. Now I have diagonals and I like to put them in different colors so that when I'm actually teaching them, you can actually follow along with what I'm doing. But our diagonals separated these into parts like this. Okay, so now I'm going to add all the numbers in each color from right to left. So this is a 5. 5 plus 2 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 6 plus 2 is 12. Write down the 2, carry the 1 into the next diagonal, and then 1 plus 3 is 4. So 45 times 95 is 4,275. Now because of the percentage means per 100, and a 100 has 2 zeros. So you want 2 numbers after the decimal in your answer. So from right to left, you go over 2 numbers and then put a decimal point. So 45% of 95 is 42.75. Okay, this next one, take the percentage away. So I'm going to do 14 times 85. So the first number is on the top. I always leave a little bit of space between the digits. The second number is on the side. I make my box, separate with a vertical and a horizontal line, separate the digits. Then make my diagonals inside. Okay, 1 times 8 is 8, so I need to put a 0 there. You're going up and over. 4 times 8 is 32. 1 times 5 is 5. And 4 times 5 is 20. So now I'm going to just color my diagonals so I can see better what I'm doing. I mean, you don't necessarily have to color them. I want them to be different colors. I just do it for a visual effect while I'm teaching. And I add my diagonals. From right to left, I have a 0. 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 8 plus 0 is 11. Write the 1 and carry the 1 into the next diagonal, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. So 14 times 85 is 1,190, but because of the percent, I go 2 numbers over from the end to the left, from right to left, so 11.90 is the answer on that one. 2% of 22, well this is a single digit here, I'm going to do 2 times 22. This is a single digit here with a double digit, so I'm not going to use lattice multiplication. I'm just going to literally do 22 times 2, which is 44. Because of the percent, I go 2 digits from right to left. Now if there's no number in front of your decimal, go ahead and put a leading 0 out there. And that would be the answer on that one.